guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun video for you guys today. You can see this ginormous basket overflowing with stuff is actually a welcome home basket for my best friend who just got her first apartment, and I'm going to show you guys everything that's in it, some suggestions I have if this is something you're interested in doing for your friends, or honestly even just for yourself if you want all this stuff. So let's get started. This table is an absolute mess, but this is the best kind of mess I like to have because I'm making a gift for someone. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is this basket I got at Target. It's just gray, has stripes on it. Nothing too fancy, but as you guys probably noticed, I kind of went with like a gray and light blue theme for her. I just really like that color combination. So what I'm gonna start with is the toilet paper. So I got her some toilet paper. Just gonna put it right in the bottom. As you can see, this fills up almost the whole bottom of the basket. Since most of the stuff I got is pretty small, this kind of allows it to have a filler at the bottom. Next thing I'm gonna put in right next to it is just some disinfecting wipes. Next, I got this little kitchen towel. Next up, I wanna put in these nightlights I got. I highly suggest these for anyone in their first place. Makes it easy when you're walking in the hallway in the middle of the night to the bathroom or in the bathroom itself. So I'm just gonna place those in the back as well. Next, I wanna put in these hangers. Seriously, you can never have too many. Next, I'm going to take some dish soap. I'm just gonna place this in the front. Sticks out a little bit, you really can't see it, but again, that adds some fill to the box. Okay, so I moved everything a little bit. Can't see my face, but I want you guys to be able to see more in the box. So the next thing I got is just some measuring cups. Next thing I want to put in are these pans I got. Again, keeping with the blue. I think I'm gonna try to stick these maybe here. Oh, look at, okay, they fit, so that's good. All right, you're gonna have to move things around a little bit. I got her this little toolkit. But I really want this myself because you have the handle here and then you have 8 different tools that fit all in the handle, so it's interchangeable, so you don't have a bunch of things. Take these pot holders I got and just wedge them a little bit in between the toilet paper and the pots just to act as a little buffer so the pots aren't rattling everywhere. Next, I got her this little pencil case. I'm just gonna stick this in the side along with the toothpicks. Toothpicks are like such an overlooked thing. I promise you, you need them. Like, they could be used for so many things. Next, I got her this can opener, and I actually want to steal this for myself because it has a magnetic like lid, so you won't lose the lids when you take it off of the cans. So we're just gonna stick that right here in the front. Oops, okay, it's gonna fall. We'll fix that later, it's there. I'm going to take the little contraption I made. What you're gonna need to make this is a few things. First off, you'll need an oven mitt. You'll need some dishcloths. I got a 6-pack, and I'll be honest, it's a little big for this project. You'll need 2 kitchen towels. So you guys can see I went with a blue theme. Got 2 towels. They were already folded like this as soon as I just cut the tag. So all I did was lay them out completely lengthwise. And then you'll just want a couple kitchen utensils. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is pick out whatever color you want to wrap the items in. So I chose the light blue. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the dishcloths and place them kind of in the center. Meanwhile, let's move that aside. You're going to take your 3 utensils, and same thing with this towel. I literally just cut the tag off and pulled it out as long as it would go. You want to place the utensils so that they're sticking out the top a bit, and then we're just gonna cover them up, not completely, but kind of so they're like in a little bed. Now let's bring this back. It gets a little tricky because you're gonna have to balance everything. But you're gonna place the utensils in their bed on top. The towel might look like it's coming apart. Just hold it together a little bit. Then finally, you are going to take your oven mitt so it appears as the utensils are coming out of the mitt. Then simply fold over the original towel, folded mine kind of tight, And I decided to wrap mine in this black string, but to kind of help it all hold together, I just used a rubber band, fold the ribbon right over the rubber band, tie a little bow, just tie it up like that, and there you have it. It's super cute, and then when they open it, they get to unravel a surprise the whole time. Stick it here in the back. I like this because it kind of adds a little bit more depth. Right behind that, I just got this dish drying towel. We had one of these in college and they're super helpful because in college we didn't really use our dishwasher because we didn't have that many dishes. So you just fold this out, put it on the counter, it absorbs a lot of water. I'm gonna put this in. So I got her a colander, everyone needs that. I got some bag clips here, I got some sponges, I got some dishwashing detergent, just a tiny bit, and then I got some teaspoons, and finally just a cute little candle. What does it say? It says follow your dreams, but I thought it was really cute. So this is gonna kind of be, here we're gonna move this, a centerpiece up here. And a few things, I got some soap. You could use this in the bathroom or the kitchen, I figured. We're just gonna put those in front. I got her, well, this is for fun, but I got her a fanny pack because she's obsessed with them. And this is a super fun color. Put that there. So guys, this is the final basket. Came together pretty easy as you see. So everything I got here, I got from either Target or the dollar store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so excited to give this to her. Yay! Oh, I just keep thinking about moving into my first place and this place I'm in now, and I absolutely love it. And I kind of wish I could do it all over again to like experience the excitement, but also unpacking was a huge pain and it took us forever and like consumed all of our time for 2 weeks because we just like unpack after work and then would have no free time. But that's like, I mean, that's part of it, right? Like that's part of the excitement. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope maybe this gave you some inspiration. Sometimes it's hard to figure out what to give someone that they're actually going to use in their first place. I know this basket is a little bit more over the top than most people, but she's my best friend and I love her and I'm so excited. So let me know down in the comments if you guys made this, what spin you put on it, what items you think would be helpful to put in a basket for someone. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and see more videos like this. Bye!